First at 4, it's not only gas prices costing more these days. The price of feminine hygiene products is also up. If you're lucky enough to find them, there's a shortage, just to add to a list of things that have been in short supply this year. As Team 12's Nyala Charles shows us, the problem is more than just a minor inconvenience. It's also a health concern.
Across the country, women are saying they can't find tampons at their local stores. The effect of a tampon shortage. According to Nielsen IQ, the average price for tampons has risen about 10% in the last year. Demetria Presley is the executive director for Go With The Flow, a nonprofit that has been providing students and low-income women with menstrual products for years.
1 out of 5 students in the United States will either miss a portion of their school day or an entire school day because they don't have access to period products. When folks don't have access to period products, what we see happening is this jeopardizing of their physical and mental and emotional health.
Add the fact that Arizona is one of 27 states that considers period products a luxury, taxing them up to 11%, and the gross price is even higher.
When I was in medical school, I had to use pads because I couldn't afford tampons at that time, and that was 20 years ago.
Dr. Lee Lewis works at Arcadia Women's Wellness. She says extending the use of period products because of lack of access or affordability can have deadly consequences.
Where a woman is using a tampon pad or menstrual cup for longer than is recommended on the packaging, they can really increase their risk for having vaginal infections and, in the worst case scenario, toxic shock syndrome.
In 2017, State Representative Daniel Hernandez co-sponsored a bill to get rid of luxury tax on tampons, diapers, and baby formula. Even though the Democrat co-sponsored the bill with a Republican, it never made it to the floor for a vote.
If we eliminated that sales tax, the net impact for Arizonans who are buying these products would be zero because we would have gotten rid of that tax a long time ago.
Here in Arizona, Presley says the tampon shortage isn't severe in local stores. But if you opt for an online retailer, you will find in some cases prices have doubled. Tampons aren't the only way to control the flow. There are sanitary napkins and menstrual cups. But as Dr. Lewis explains, for some women, it may make the most sense.
It is personal choice, and it really does become one of these issues of reproductive justice that women should be able to choose the product that they are most comfortable with.
Nyala Charles, 12 News.
In a statement, consumer goods manufacturer Procter & Gamble, the maker of both Tampax tampons and Always pads, acknowledges that some consumers may currently be unable to find what they need. It calls the situation temporary. As for the period tax, State Senate Representative Hernandez says it will be discussed in the ongoing budget negotiations.